First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Then, use a flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully pry off the plastic lens cover. Gently twist or pull the old incandescent bulb socket to remove it. These Civics typically use a hum number 211 to 2 bulb or equivalent, 12 volt 5 watts. Finding original bulbs can be tricky, so aftermarket options are common. Be careful not to crack the lens during removal. This is a common mistake. To install the new bulb, insert it into the socket, ensuring proper polarity if it's an LED bulb. Next, reattach the socket to the housing and snap the lens cover back into place. Reconnect the battery and test the dome light by opening a door or using the manual switch. Consider upgrading to an LED bulb for modern benefits. LEDs last 10 to 20 times longer than incandescent bulbs and produce less heat, which is ideal for older vehicles like your Civic. LED conversion guides are popular online, but ensure the LED is compatible with the Civic's 12-volt system and proper polarity to function correctly. A faulty dome light is a common issue in 2001 to 2005 Honda Civics, but this straightforward installation and potential LED upgrade will keep your interior well lit.